A chiropractic adjustment is a very safe, specific, controlled force applied to a joint to restore proper function and mobility. Accidents, falls, stress or overexertion can negatively impact your spine or other joints. These changes impact tissues, the nervous system and other areas of the body. If it is left unresolved, this can make you more susceptible to chronic problems. Chiropractic adjustments helps you in reducing pain, increasing movement and improving overall performance. So this is all about a chiropractic adjustment. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.